Ever since we bought the bus, we've had an issue with water staining on our shower doors. I've tried a lot of different products and nothing has worked so far. But now, I've found something that works. The solution to our problem is this. Carolina Shower Door Waterspot Remover. Now this is a product from McKee's 37 and it works amazingly simply and it works well. So we take a little bit, about a quarter-sized dollop, according to the instructions, on our little applicator here. So just have to put a little bit on, and we scrub lightly on our glass. I prefer circular motions. If you prefer back and forth motions, we can do that as well. Now, this is a small space, but if I wanted to, I could also use a power polisher with a nice either microfiber or foam pad. I'm going to do a nice square so that in my little after video you can actually see the demarcation between where I have and where I haven't been. This is a citrus-based formula, so it has a nice citrusy smell to it. McKee's products are all Florida-based, so I wonder if there's a citrus connection there. Anyways, not saying there's a citrus cartel in Florida, but who knows. And once it starts going away, so clearing up, when you take your microfiber towel and clear off the haze. Now, I haven't removed 100% of it, but it's taking it down a good 70 to 80%, and with another application, it's going to go down to that 100% or perfectly clear glass. So I'm going to go back at it, one more shot, and then I'll do a little close-up video for everyone. Thanks a lot, and remember, it's Carolina's Shower Door and Waterspot Remover from McKee's 37. Thanks, have a great day. So here we have the area that I haven't restored, and here's the restored area. Perfectly clear. So Carolina Shower Door Waterspot Remover works great, does exactly what it's supposed to do.